How to grab pay later. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to grab pay later. To start, open the GrabPay app on your mobile device. Once you're here, tap on Payment from your bottom dashboard. Tap on Let's Go to start the activation process of your wallet. Now enter your personal details including your full name. And then, add your identity document. It can be your MyCat or a passport. After entering your 12-digit number, you will need to complete a verification process and your wallet will be activated. But keep this in mind, in order to pay later, you should be an existing Grab user for at least 6 months. Your age should be 18 years and above. Your account should be fully verified. You should be a Platinum, Gold, or Silver Grab Rewards tier member. And your Grab app has been updated to the latest version. If you follow this criteria, you will be able to pay later on GrabPay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.